Hello, my name is Kathy, and I'm with your success team at MIFOinc. I'd like to go over today's action list. As you can see, today's action list is one of the tiles available on your home screen. This indicates your action list and your opportunity items for the specific day. As you can see today, Monday, March 15th, 2021. Upon logging in, whatever the day is, this will change for the day and date. Clicking anywhere within that tile brings you to your action list. This list provides to you, for that specific day, all your appointments and the number of opportunities and the financial opportunity available to the practice if all patients are seen and all measures are met in their entirety. Going to the left side of the screen, all of your health plans are aggregated into one report. You do have the opportunity by deselecting the top button. You can select any one, several, to see information by whatever view you would like. We're going to go back and select all for this visual. Selecting all shows you the number of opportunities for the day, the number of patients, and again, if you meet all the opportunities and see all the patients, this is the total amount of incentive payment you'll expect to receive. This bar chart indicates by measure the amount of patients that are scheduled for that day in that measure. By clicking on the actual bar, it will filter out all the data on the remainder of the page for just that measure. For example, for adolescent well care visit, you see that you have 7 opportunities, 7 patients, and just for adolescent well care, your financial opportunity is $865. Re-clicking on that bar brings you back to the full view. Going over to the right side, this table indicates by measure and by individual health plan the dollar amount for that specific measure. For example, here, for adolescent well care visit, Metro Plus for each patient would give you an $80 financial opportunity, Health First $155, so on and so forth. And your grand total here at the bottom of $3,685 is your financial opportunity for the day. The table below shows you specifically the name of your patient, the incentive payment that will be earned when seeing this patient, and meeting the full measure. Patient demographics are also provided, as well as the provider whose schedule that patient is under. Any of these columns can be sorted. For example, let's sort the provider column. If your practice wanted to see all the patients for Dr. Wonderful had an emergency and had to call out for the day, you can just print this report and make certain that all these patients are put in other provider schedule so you don't miss all the opportunities for the patient for that day. Again, patients can be sorted by payment amounts so you can see where your higher dollar figures will be. Additionally, any one of these reports can be printed by clicking on any one of these boxes. You'll see a blue line outlining the report or the table. When the blue outline is indicated, you'll be able to come over here to the menu options. Clicking on the 3 dots give you an opportunity to export to CSV or export to Excel. Then the reports can be printed and manipulated however your practice would like to utilize it. Going back up, to your home screen, brings you back to your specific home screen. That is today's action list, and I look forward to seeing you at the next training module.